Hey guys. Hey, I wanted to talk to you about Honda radios. I get a lot of questions and I get a lot of phone calls. People want the radio code for their Honda. And a lot of times what I run into is I have to run through this whole spiel on how to get the radio code out of their unit itself. So I had one of my viewers, his name is Paul Ralph, and he says, well, I'm not ripping my stereo out of the dash. I'm just gonna bring it to the local dealer. So let me do a little overview on this, and maybe you won't have to go to your Honda dealer or tear out your stereo in order to get your serial number off the back of the radio. So this is a Honda stereo right here. And if you do remove it from the dash, which is a pain in the ass, your serial number is right on the back side of the radio. That's all you have to do is call your Honda dealer, give me your serial number, and they get your code for you. But if you don't want to do that, or if you don't want to rip your stereo out of your dash, what you do is you turn your key on, make sure your radio is off, hold the 1 and the 6 button, all right, like that, and then turn the power button on with your other finger, and on the display, it'll come up with your serial number of your radio. And then you can call your Honda dealer and ask them to give you a code for your radio. You don't think I'd make you rip your stereo out of your dash just to find the serial number on the back, would you? Would you? But I know some of you don't like talking on the phone. So maybe you don't want to call your Honda dealer. Well, let me bring you to the website and you can get this code without even making a phone call or bringing it to a dealership. And the nice part about this website is it'll walk you through the procedure on how to get the code out of your stereo. So let's go check it out. All right, guys. So if you're looking for your radio code or Navi code for your Honda, this is a great site to come to. You go to owners.honda.com. All right, it'll bring you to this page. Put in your vehicle information. I'm gonna just put down 2018. Let's just put a Pilot in here. And then it'll bring you to a lot of information that pertains to your vehicle. You can get your owner's manuals in a PDF file. You can watch videos, Honda Lane Watch, or how to hook up your Bluetooth phone to your radio. How to use your navigation system. Then down here, you can schedule services at your local Honda dealer. You can check for recalls on your vehicle, make payments, but we're here to check radio codes and Navi codes. So let's check it out. Go here. All right. You can either do it by VIN number or device serial number. So if you click on the VIN number, it's going to show you where your VIN number is located on the vehicle. And then if you just click overview here and go back, you can click device and it will show you this is an anti-theft card that comes with your vehicle when it's brand new. A lot of times you can find this tucked away in your books and stuff. So the first thing I always recommend people doing is before you go through any of this, go in your vehicle, look in your glove box, go through all your paperwork, go through all your books, see if you can find this anti-theft card. It usually have 2 stickers on it. Well, if you only have a radio serial code you're looking for, it'll have just your radio code. But if you have 2 devices, Navi and radio, it'll have both Navi and radio codes on there. If you want to look for other things that might have the radio code on it, there's a sticker that is put on or put in your vehicle during the pre-delivery inspection. The mechanic will usually stick this somewhere on your glove box. They're supposed to stick it, but not necessarily. They put them in these places. They could be on the back side, could be on the bottom, could be on the opposite side of the glove box. So take a look, take your stuff out of the glove box, take a good look for this white label that's in there. It usually has the codes displayed on there. From your radio display, a lot of the vehicles, when Honda built these things, they built it so that you could bring up the serial number right in the display of the radio. And these steps right here will walk you through that. So if you want to do it that way, it's pretty easy. Basically hold the 1 and the 6, turn your power on, boom, it comes right up on the display. It's pretty easy. If you have navigation, Again, look for that anti-theft card in your vehicle. And if you have a 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord with Navi, it'll walk you through the steps on how to extract that serial number right through the display here. Once you have that serial number, that's all you have to do. Go up here and get code. All right, click that tab there, get the code, put in your VIN number, your zip code, phone number, email address, serial number of the unit itself, what you extracted from it or what you found on the sticker. And then whether you have one or two devices, if you have both Navi and radio, or if you just have radio. And then you hit the submit button and they will send you an email with that information. Best way to use this site though is to create a login, and then all your information will already be in there. But anyways, I hope this site helps you. Let me know if there's any questions I can answer for you. Just leave them in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, guys. Have a good one. We'll see you in the next video.